The reason why I went for every book by Achebe was because the culture is almost like ours.
Well, that's Igbo culture.
The Igbo culture.
Wow.
And also, I could get names there that we could identify with. Like in Nigeria, I mean in Igbo, I think I read somewhere where Chebe was saying that in Igbo, during night, you didn't call, I mean, you used to not call a snake a snake.
Yeah.
You will say the string of the grass. We also here, we also call a snake at night. I don't know. We used to. Nowadays, it's not there, but we used to call it string of the grass. So a lot of similarities between the Luas and the Igbos, though not in language. I think it's just a coincidence.
Well, is it coincidence? Is it coincidence actually?
Because
I think they might relate it somewhere.
I've seen, even if you Google, you will see very many people are searching, are trying to find more about it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
When I was in Kisumu, everybody was telling me, go and look for your people. They are all Igbos over there.
And also, when I was reading, you see, like, if that is the owner of the compound,
Yeah.
you build your compound facing the gate. I mean, you build your house facing the gate.
Yeah.
And then the first son builds his house on the right-hand side.
Okay.
And then the second on the left-hand side is zigzag like
Yeah,
this.
yeah.
And also, when they build their homesteads, like the father of the president, Barack Senior, though he died before establishing his own, homestead.
Okay.
But his house was here, where you can see the
concrete.
Yeah.
Oh wow.
It was here. And then after that one, we had to move the widow outside on that side. You see. So I also realized something unique with Igbos. I mean, if you read the Chinua Achebe books, you will find a lot of similarities. So that when you read them, you are at home. It's like he's speaking about your culture.
Yeah, relatable.
You see? Yeah, it's relatable. You see?
Oh, wow,
it's your culture.
Huh? Are you also Leo?
No?
Are you also Luo?
Yeah, I'm a Luo.
So,
wow.
So I think that's what was happening. But if you look at it, you will find the Igbos, I think, they trace their origin to the Congo forest. Yeah. But I don't know, even to the Congo forest, they must have come from somewhere.
Yeah.
So I don't know whether we came from Sudan, because I can trace my origins back to Sudan.
Oh,
I've gone to Juba. I've met the Luos there. We can, speak. It's the same language with, few differences.
Yeah.
But it's just the same.
Wow. That's crazy.
And like, I think you guys, the Igbos, is it?
And the way you call the Igbo says it's like original Igbo. So even in Nigeria, so some don't know how to call Igbo. They call it Igbo. Like Yorubas, also they call us Igbo, not Igbo. But you call the real name Igbo, which means you know about the Igbos very
well. I realized that you are a very big, ethnic community.
Yeah. We are
you can
over.
Be found in Gabon.
Even in Nigeria alone, we are 48 million in Nigeria.
Look at that.
48
million
in Nigeria now. And they are
in Nigeria, as the Igbos.
You are even in Benin.
Yes.
You are in Gabon. Wow. You are even in Equatorial Guinea.
Even in Ghana, there's a trace.
Yeah, even in Ghana. Yeah, even in Ghana, they are. You are also found, I think, how about in Cameroon?
Yes, in Cameroon too. Yes.
Cameroon. So they are so.
Because Cameroon is just by
Just imagine if
Calabar.
48 million is in Nigeria. No. No, just imagine.
48 out of 230 million people in Nigeria. Because we are 230 million. 230 million. Oh.
Kenya can't only idea.
But we have over 300 tribes, over 700 languages. We are much.
I think in a way they tried to disable the Igbos.
Exactly.
The same way with us here. So I think when I was reading Zeke, Azikiwe, people like Ojuku, which is also a name here.
Ojuku is a name here?
Yeah.
Oh my God, you guys should come back to Nigeria.
Ojuku is a name here.
Oh,
Many
wow.
people I can count you like there's a guy who died here, his name was Ojuku.
Ojuku in Kenya.
So I think that one is
wow.
what makes sometimes Luas in research about Igbos. Are they related or what?
It can be coincidence. There must be something somewhere.
Yeah.
It cannot be coincidence.
Yeah.
Because even when I went to Kisumu, if you check out the way they put out their businesses, like the way Igbo men put out their businesses out
along
there.
the road.
Do you have the name Osomba in?
Osomba is the name in Igbo.
My sister, my immediate elder sister, her last name is Osomba. You will find a lot of similarities in terms of like names. I can count you very many names which are, we share, and the Igbos are also having them. So, and then again, if you read the culture and also the way your kind of politics, you see, the government has made it, very difficult for you to ascend to power.
Exactly. Because they feel that we are uncontrollable. We can't be controlled.
The same thing here. If you read about the
Can you imagine?
The same thing. Until when Barack was the president, it was said it's easier for a Luo to be a president in the United States than it is here.
Oh, it's easier. I get it.
Yeah, because you cannot, Luos are warriors and even if you are in Nigeria and you are reading about Kenya, any name that you will see, most of the names, not any, most of the names that begin with O, like in your tribe,
yes,
are Luos, most likely. O, that is a Luo.
Wow.
Yeah. So
Obina, Ojuku, Onyeka.
Yeah.
Onyeka.
Onyeka is the name here?
We have Okech.
Okechi.
Okechuku.
Okechuku, yes.
There, but we have Okech here.